Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft Project video. We are making today these cute light bulb ornaments with this Light of Friendship poem. We're going to use some glitter, some Mop and Glow, and some ribbon and twine. So these, I was so surprised, were really easy to make. Now some people say to make these with glass ornaments. I did use these plastic bulb ornaments that I got at Hobby Lobby last year. And you're just going to put a little bit of Mop and Glow into the ornament, and then you're going to kind of roll it around to coat the entire inside. And then once you feel like you've gotten it, you're going to put back into the bottle what is left over. And I just left it there for a second while I got my glitter ready. Now, these tiny little bottles of glitter, I probably could have just poured right into the ornament, but I used this cute tip where you cut a corner off of an envelope. I'm going to hold that corner shut right now while I put some glitter in the envelope, and then you're going to use the envelope as a little funnel to put the glitter into the ornament. I do have the ornament sitting in a little Dixie cup there just so it's not rolling around, and then you're just going to cover the hole and shake that up until the glitter completely covers the Mop and Glow. It's so easy to do, and these look amazing. Now, I did leave my ornaments open in the cup for a good 24 hours to make sure they were dried before I put the lids back on. Then I'm just going to take my envelope and I'm going to put the rest of my glitter back into the glitter container. So it really doesn't take a whole lot of Mop and Glow or a whole lot of glitter. I'm going to show you one more here using a different color of glitter and the same process, just removing the top of the ornament. I did drip some Mop and Glow on my table, but not very much. You should be able to squeeze some in there, just a tiny little bit, maybe a tablespoon or two. Roll it around like we did before to coat the inside, and then put the rest back into the container. Now, I was able to find Mop and Glow at Walmart, this big bottle for $5.97, I think, something like that. This is going to last me forever. And I know you can also use polyacrylic. I personally like the smell of Mop and Glow better than a polyacrylic. So here's some teal glitter. I'm going to put this in the envelope, and like before, we're going to put that into the ornament, cover the end, shake it around till we get it all evenly covered inside. Next, I am making my tags. Now, I found this Light of Friendship poem. There's a couple different ones out there. I liked this one the best. I will put links as I can in the description of this video. I was able to print 6 of these on a sheet of white cardstock, and then I'm just backing them on some black cardstock. You can see there, trimming it, and then this is going to be my tag that's going to go on the outside of the package with these bulb ornaments. All right, so you can see I didn't put this on camera, but I did make a small white bow that I hot glued to the top of each of the ornaments just for some decoration. And now I'm taking some black and white baker's twine. This is what I'm going to use to make the hanger for each ornament. I wanted something that didn't have any color so that it would go with any of the colors of ornaments, and I wanted to use something other than jute twine. So black and white baker's twine is what it was. I'm just going to loop it through and then just make a simple knot and trim off the excess. So here's our tag with the poem. It does have a little circle there for you to punch. I'm going to use my Crocodile Big Bite and just punch that circle in all of my tags. Now, I don't remember how many came. I think the package of these bulb ornaments from Hobby Lobby had 12 in it because I think I used 3 last year. So I used the rest of my 9. I also know that Dollar Tree has large plastic ornaments in this shape. I'm going to see if I can find some of those because I think those would be really fun to offer. But I am going to have these in my craft show. I don't know if I'll make any more this year. We'll see how these 9 go. But I think they're really cute, and I am going to package them up, you'll see here in a minute, so that they're all ready to go to give as a gift. I have these bags that have the adhesive closure from clearbags.com. We are just going to cut off the adhesive strip, or you can just use simple clear plastic bags from Dollar Tree. But I'm going to put the ornament inside, trim off that adhesive part to make our bag a little bit shorter, and then we're just going to crinkle it, scrunch it up there at the top, and tie another piece of black and white twine around, which we will also tie the tag on with. And there's our cute little Light of Friendship ornament all packaged up with the cute little tag. Here you can see the variety of colors I made using the glitter. I will also put a link to the glitter variety pack in the description of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple little gift you could make for a women's Bible study, for a craft show, just to give out to some of your friends. And let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you again next time. Take care.